how to create a product category page in WooCommerce with Elementor. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video, we're going to be creating a product category page with the help of Elementor. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you need to do is you need to actually install a plugin called WooCommerce, right? So go to your plugin section and click on add new plugin. And over here, just simply search for WooCommerce, search for Woo, and the WooCommerce application will appear over here. Just simply click on install and wait for it to be installed. And once it's installed, just hit the activation button or the activate button and you'll be good to go. So here we go. We'll just simply click on activate and we are good to go. And once it's done, just simply click on set up my store and just set up your WooCommerce, right? I'm just simply going to skip all of this and I'll just say food and drinks. And over here, you can see where your store is located and just simply select where your store is located and you should be good to go. And after that, you can just simply go ahead and select one of these options if you want. Just simply click on continue. And once that's done, you'll be good to go. Going to be installed and you can go ahead and get started and move on to the next part of the video. And after that, it's going to ask you to go ahead and create an account on WooCommerce. So if you want, you can go ahead and create that. We'll just simply go ahead and click on login and maybe continue with Google. And once that's done, we should be good to go. So here you can see we have our WooCommerce option right here. And we also have the product option right here. So this is what's important. This is what we needed. We need the product options. So here you can see we have products. If we go over here, we'll see all of the products that we have already added over here. If we haven't, we can go ahead and click on add products or create products and import them or create them over here. If not, we can just simply, import them as well. So to import the products, simply click on start import and upload the CSV file. And over here, you can see I have some. So home and garden, I'll just simply go ahead and choose that one. Click on continue. And once that's done, it's going to do everything on its own. You've got all of the important attributes. If you want to import some of them, you can import. If you don't want to import them, you don't have to. It totally depends on you. And once that's done, just simply click on run the importer. It's going to go ahead and import the products. And once that's done, we should be good to go. And there we go. So now that's done. Now we can go ahead and view the products. So let's go ahead and take a look and see whether or not they've been, imported. So we can see all the products are here. I don't know if the images are here as well. Let's see if we click over here. So images were not imported. But yeah, so we'll move on. Next, we want to go ahead and set categories. So we're going to go into the category section and here you can see we don't have any categories as of right yet. So we're going to go ahead and add them. So over here, you have to add new category. You can add the name of what that category you want, right? So let's say men's. There we go. That's the slug. We'll leave it at that. Do something like that. And then over here, you can see we already have a default category, which is unorganized. So we'll delete that later for now. But we'll click on add new category. We have added a new category. We'll also add a new category. This is going to be women. And there we go. We now have two categories for men and women and just simply delete this one as well. For now, I don't think that we can delete it, but we'll leave it at that. So if we want to edit them, we'll click on edit to quickly edit the category. And here we can edit them, but now we'll go into products, right? And now we'll just go ahead and tags them as well. So we can see these are tags by men and women automatically. So this should help us to go ahead and organize them. So maybe we can do that as well. So let's go ahead and click on edit. And now we'll just simply organize them one by one. I would say, I don't know if there's a quick way to do this, but simply go into quick edits, select the men's category and click on update. Should be good to go. There we go. Women's, again, I'll just click on quick edit and select the appropriate category. All right, now that that's done, now what we'll do is we'll go into pages, right? And in pages, we're going to click on add new page. Sorry, this is post. We'll go into pages and click on add new page, right? Click on add new page. And here we'll just go ahead and click on edit with Elementor. It's loading up right here. And here we go. So here we'll go ahead and give it a new title, right? We'll just go ahead and put a container over here, and within that container we'll add a heading, and here I'll just add the heading men, since this is the men's category. And there we go. Next, I'll stylize it. I'll align it, center align it like so. Change the text color to grayish black or light black, whatever you want to call it. And there we go. I think that looks good. Next, what we can do is add like a grid layout over here, maybe, or something else like this one, or maybe this one, whatever. We'll go with this one. And in it, we'll click on this plus icon, and here we can go ahead and maybe search for products. We have the product section right here, but they're the pro version. So for now, we'll leave it at here and install another plugin which is Elementor or Elementor, right? We're going to install this. It's going to add us and give us some pretty cool options for free. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So we're going to go ahead and activate it. It's both for Elementor and Gutenberg Builder. There we go. So it's now done. Now we can go into the pages and continue where we left off, which is this page right here. I'm going to rename it. And now we're going to go ahead and click on Edit with Elementor. And we're going to add the product categories. So now we should have some options from the Elementor right here, which is this one right here, Elementor product layout. So we'll just simply search for universal product layout like this one and place that over there. So overall, I think I'm going to add it again. So again, I'm going to add a grid layout of this one, and I'll add the product layouts right here. Like that. There we go. That looks much better. Here we got the product layout. Now over here we can see we've got slider options. So now I'll enable the slider option. And over here we've got the query settings. So here we've got recent products or featured or whatever you want to call it. These are going to be your best-selling products over here, right? The content settings, you can select the content, style it, layout, whatever you want to call it. And we have the image settings, countdown, slider options are going to be over here. In the style settings, you can go ahead and, add other options as well. So currently, I don't understand why the images weren't available, but there should be some options right here for images as well. So here you can add your images. We've already added the slider option. I believe we have the slider option. We can add the tab option if you want. There should be a slider option. Where is it? I don't understand why it is not coming off. Like you could slide them as well. Let me just go ahead and save this and publish it just so that we don't lose the progress. But yeah. So once that's done, we should be good to go. So this is how you can create a product category page. Simply go ahead and install a page, add products, tag them, install the plugins, the Elementor plugins, and then create a page and then add them over here. After that, you can add some more grids, add some featured or best-selling products, whatever you want to call it, and you should be good to go. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below, and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also, be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification, as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.